Hello, students. I am Nivedita ma'am, your social science teacher, and I hope you all are doing fine and staying healthy at home. So, we were studying the first chapter of geography in the previous few classes, the Earth in the solar system. We already talked about certain things. So today in this video we are going to just simply in very short revise the things we have already studied in the previous few one or two classes. So students, we talked about the things we see in the sky after the sunset, especially in the night when it gets dark. What do we see? We see the objects twinkling in the night sky. Some of these are very small, some are large. For example, moon. We studied how these shining objects in the night sky are called celestial bodies. They are called what? They are called the celestial bodies. We also talked about what? We talked about stars. We talked about stars these are what are stars? These stars are the celestial bodies which are very big and hot. They have their own heat and light, but they are very, very far away from the earth. That is why they appear so small to us. Now, coming to what is sun? Sun is a sun is a star. Sun is basically the star. Okay, and it is the nearest star to the earth. So, earth or we people receive the heat and light which falls from the sun on the earth. After that, we studied about the constellations. Okay, constellations, which are basically what? They are the group of stars. Okay, and these stars make a specific pattern. For example, Saptarishi. It is a constellation or a group of 7 stars which makes a particular pattern, and because of this pattern we are able to see it or recognize it when we see it in the very clear night sky. Another important star in our solar system is the pole star, also called the North Star. The important quality of this pole star is that it is also called North Star. This star always remain at one place in the earth, and it is very bright star. So it is very easily tracked by the people living on the earth. In the early times, no students, when there was no technology like the ones we have today, for example, we have internet today, we have GPS facility, we have compass, we have other tools with which we are able to determine the direction and the position we are in. Okay, so in earlier times the travelers or the people, they used north star to determine their position and the direction they are going to. Understood? Now coming to the planets. What are planets? Planets are basically the celestial bodies which do not have their own heat or light. For example, the earth. Earth is the planet we live in, okay, and receives the light and heat from the sun. And what is sun? Sun is the nearest star to the earth. As we have noticed, no, during the night time, when the earth is not facing the earth, when earth is not facing the sun, it becomes very dark and cold. Okay. Another important quality about the planets is that these planets move around the sun. Okay. After that, we have another celestial body, which is the moon. Which is what? The moon. The moon we see in the sky is a satellite. What is moon? Moon is a satellite. The moon which we see during the night moves around the earth, and just like the planets move around the sun. It gets its heat and light from the sun. It appears to be shining because of the light of the sun that falls on it. Okay, so students, we have in short understood about the sun, moon, stars, planets, etc. In next video, we will study about the solar system. So take care.